Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and don't forget to turn on your notifications so you won't miss any new content from me. So today I'm doing a detailed eyebrow routine, and first I'm going to start off by taking this makeup wipe and making sure my face is clean of all other products. Ooh, that's nasty. Anyways, let's go ahead and clean off these eyebrows. So today, to fill in my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown. Also, you do not have to use a pomade to fill in your eyebrows. You can use a pencil, a powder, whatever works best for you. A pomade just works best for me. The tool I'll be using today to fill in my eyebrows is this angled eyebrow brush with the spoolie at the end of it. I don't know the brand. I just ordered these off Amazon. But if you want to know, I will link the link from where I got them from in the description box below. So I'm going to start with brushing my eyebrow hairs upward. And then I'm going to start at the bottom front and just outline the natural shape of my eyebrow. And then I'm going to outline the top shape of my eyebrow starting from the center and not the front. If you can tell in this video, my eyebrows are looking a little wild because I usually get them waxed, but I'm in the process of letting them grow out because the last girl that I let wax them messed them up horribly, and you know who you are. So after outlining the natural shapes of my eyebrows, I'll just go ahead and fill it in without adding any extra product on my brush. And when I get to the front of my eyebrows, I just do very thin hair-like strokes because we don't want really dark block looking eyebrows. We want them to look as natural as possible. So that saying that your eyebrows are sisters and not twins is definitely the story of my life. But now I'm going to start with this eyebrow, doing the same technique I did with my other one. This is my least favorite eyebrow because it is so uneven and a lot thinner than the other eyebrow. So I'm going to try to make it look as natural as possible because I'm trying to make it look similar to the other eyebrow. Now you're going to see me overdraw this eyebrow just a tad bit, again only because I'm trying to get it to look similar to the other one. And again, before y'all drag me in the comments, because it's always going to be that one person, I know my lace is looking a little rough, but girl, it is hard out here for a pimp. Now that I feel like my eyebrows look somewhat similar to each other, and I know that they're probably not going to get any better than this, I'm going to go ahead and go in with my Rimmel Stay Matte Concealer in the shade Beige, and I'm just going to clean up my eyebrows. Now, this is a step you do not have to do. This step isn't for everybody, but I like to carve out my eyebrows because I like that clean, sharp look after I fill them in. And also, my eyebrows are looking a little rough, so I do need to conceal all those hairs that should not be there. So now I'm going to go ahead and clean up the top of my brows. So I did kind of mess up while doing this step, so you'll see me take my eyebrow brush and just go back over it, but while using the leftover product on that brush, so I'm not dipping into it anymore, because especially with that Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, a little definitely goes a long way. Also, you want to take your time with this step because you don't want to mess up so much that you keep having to go over it till it gets to the point where you just have to start your eyebrows all over again. So now I'm just going to take some concealer and start cleaning up the bottom of my other eyebrow. So as you see, I took the concealer and I dragged it all the way to the center of my nose. I did the same thing on the other side. To me, when they connect in the center, that lets me know that my eyebrows are even at the bottom. Alright guys, now let's clean up the top of that other eyebrow. Now with this one, it was a little harder for me because with them being so uneven, I want to make sure that this one stays as similar to the other one as possible. So I'm going to be doctoring it up a little bit. You're going to see me conceal and then go back in with my eyebrow brush and add a little more product, especially where my arch is, because I can never get my arch perfect on this eyebrow, but it's whatever. As long as it looks similar to the other one, that's all that matters. Alright guys, so now that I feel like my eyebrows are somewhat perfect, I'm going to go ahead and start blending out that concealer with my matte foundation so I don't have that harsh white line over my eyebrows. If you don't want to do this step, you don't have to, because if that's the look you're going for, then sis, by all means, go ahead. But I'm just going to blend mine out. Now I'm also going to go ahead and blend the bottom of my eyebrows out too with my foundation because I don't want that highlighted brow bone effect with this look. So now I'm just going to take my damp clean beauty blender and I'm going to go ahead and just blend that foundation into the front of my eyebrows because again we don't want that harsh block looking effect. And there you have it, sis. Look at those perfect eyebrows. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Mwah.